Introduction to the Flutter AppBar Widget. The AppBar widget in Flutter is a fundamental component used to create the top app bar in mobile. It provides a consistent and customizable interface for navigation, branding, and navigation and menus. With the AppBar widget, developers can easily incorporate navigation controls and menus into their. This includes buttons for common actions like navigating to different screens or accessing title and branding. One of the primary features of the AppBar widget is its ability to display the title and brand. Developers can specify the title text and logo to reinforce the app's identity and provide users flexible design option. The AppBar widget offers flexibility in design, allowing developers to customize its appearance to match the app. Properties such as background color, text color, and elevation can be easily adjusted to achieve integration with navigation. AppBar seamlessly integrates with Flutter's navigation system, making it easy to incorporate back buttons, navigation drawers, or tabs for navigation. Actions and icons. Developers can add actions and icons to the AppBar to provide quick access to common tasks. These actions can include buttons for sharing content, searching, or accessing user overflow menu. In cases where there are too many actions to fit within the AppBar, Flutter automatically adds an overflow to access additional actions by tapping on the menu icon. Leading and trailing widget. The AppBar widget supports leading and trailing widgets, allowing developers to place custom widgets on the left and this can be useful for displaying user avatars, notification icons, or other. Flexible height. The AppBar widget in Flutter supports flexible height, allowing developers to specify a preferred height for the AppBar or let it adapt dynamically based on its 10. Scroll behavior. In Flutter, the AppBar can be configured to hide or shrink when the user scrolls through content, providing more screen realism. This behavior helps to maximize usability, especially on small, persistent AppBar. Alternatively, developers can choose to keep the AppBar persistent, ensuring that it remains visible at the top of the screen. This can be useful for apps where quick access to navigation or action. Theming and styling. With Flutter's theming capabilities, developers can easily apply consistent styles to the AppBar across. This includes defining colors, typography, and other visual properties to match the app's overall. Integration with material design. The AppBar widget in Flutter follows the principles of material design, Google's design language for creating intuitive and visual. This ensures that AppBar behaves consistently across different Android devices. Accessibility feature. Flutter's AppBar widget includes built-in support for accessibility features, such as screen reader compatibility. This helps to ensure that the app is usable by all users, including those with integration with drawer and tabs. AppBar seamlessly integrates with Flutter's drawer and tab widgets, allowing developers to create complex navigation. This makes it straightforward to implement navigation patterns commonly found in mobile. Handling. Developers can easily handle user gestures within the widget, such as tapping on buttons or dragging to actions. Flutter provides intuitive APIs for detecting and responding. Dynamic update. The AppBar widget supports dynamic updates, allowing developers to change its properties or contents programmatically in response to user actions or applications. This flexibility enables a more interactive and responsive user. Testing and debugging. Flutter provides robust tools for testing and debugging AppBar widgets, allowing developers to ensure that the AppBar behaves as expected across. This includes tools for widget testing, integration testing, and debugging later. Performance optimization. Flutter's rendering engine is optimized for ensuring that AppBar widgets render smoothly and efficiently on low-end devices. Developers can leverage Flutter's performance optimizations to create fast and responsive. Community support and resources. The Flutter community provides a wealth of resources, tutorials, and packages for work. Developers can easily find help and guidance from the community to solve common issues or implement advanced features in their applications.